Hello everyone, we'll be making a snake on the white sheet. Make its tail, make its eyes, nose and mouth like this, make its tongue, and then draw the lines on its body and the patterns like this, and then you can color it like this with the green color and your snake is ready. Next, we'll be drawing a circle and then make the ears like this. Now make the eyes of the cute animal. Now make its nose and mouth like this. Now make its legs and the body as shown in the video. Now after that, we'll be making its tail and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing a circle and then make its ears. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth like this and make the patterns on its body after completing it. Make its legs and the tail on the back and then you can color it with the black and white pattern like this and it's ready. Next, draw the shape like this and then complete it as shown in the video. Now after that, we'll be drawing the lines inside the body of the dinosaur. Now make the humps on the back like this, color it and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing a puppy. So write a 6 and then make its mouth like this. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its ears and the legs like this. Now after that, color it with the yellow brown color of your choice and it's done. Next, draw small and 2 big circles like this to make an ant. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its legs like this and color it with the brown color and draw some lines on the back of it and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, draw a circle like this and then make the body like this of the animal or the kitty we are making. Now make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now after that, make the hairs on the mouth. Make its legs like this. Now color it as per your choice. Don't forget to make its tail and it's ready. Next, make the face of the body of the cute bunny. Now make its ears, make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its legs and hands. Make a carrot in its hand like this. Make a tail and color it and it's done. Next, we'll be making a lion. So make a face and the ears, make its eyes. Now draw the hairs on the sides of it. Now complete its body, draw its legs and hands like this as shown in the video. Now after that, make its tail on the back and color it and it's ready. Next, again we'll be making a cute bunny. So make its hands and legs. Now we'll be making its cute tail on the back. Make its ears and the eyes. Make its mouth like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a dog. So make its body like this and then make its face. Make its legs and then we'll be making its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Make the tail on the back of the puppy and then color it and it's ready. Next, make 2 brackets and write a 2. Now join the lines and make the ears. Complete its body and draw a line. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth to make a bunny. Now make its tail, color it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a zebra. So write a 9 and a 6. Now make its ears, eyes and then make the hair on the back of it. Now make some patterns on the body of the zebra with the black color. Now we'll be making its legs and make a tail on the back. Now your zebra is ready. Next, we'll be making a piggy. So draw a circle and some small circles inside it and the outside of it like this. Now join the lines and make the ears on the top. Now make its eyes and nose and the mouth like this. Now complete its body and it's done. Thanks for watching.